Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Our today's lecture is in continuation of our previous lecture, determination of national income in three sector economy with induced taxes. But previously we used aggregate demand and aggregate supply method, and today we will use the leakages and injection method. So the topic for our today's discussion is derivation of national income in three sector economy with leakages and injection method, along with the inclusion of induced taxes. As we know previously that the equilibrium of national income occur at that point where leakages are equal to injection. In three sector economy, there are two types of leakages: saving plus taxes, and there are two types of injection: government expenditure and investment. And the equilibrium of leakage and injection method in three sector economy will be at that point where S plus T, saving plus taxes, equal to injection plus government expenditure, sorry, investment plus government expenditure. Both investment and government expenditure are injection. Why they are called injection? They are called injection because they are stimulus to the economic growth, mean that increase in government expenditure and investment expenditure will increase the output and employment in the economy, and national income will increase. While S plus T are called leakages because increase in saving or taxes will reduce the national income and employment in the economy. So we will derive the national income equilibrium formula through leakages is equal to injection method with the given information. What are the given information? That S is equal to minus S naught, that is autonomous saving, plus MPS YD. MPS is marginal propensity to save, and YD is the disposable national income, where YD is equal to Y minus T. While we have assumed here that the taxes are induced, taxes are both autonomous and induced taxes. So T is equal to T naught, that is autonomous taxes, plus MPT, marginal propensity tax, and into Y. So here we see that taxes are a positive function of the national income. And again, we have assumed that I is equal to I naught, that are the autonomous investment, and G is equal to G naught, that are autonomous government expenditure. So putting the values of these variables, S plus T and I plus G, in the equation of national income equilibrium, we have put the value of saving function, that is minus S naught plus MPSY, and we have put the equation of taxes, that is T naught plus MPTY, is equal to, we have put the value of I, that is I naught plus G naught. And from here we see that we have to calculate the equilibrium level of Y. We have to keep all those variables which have Y on the left side, and we have take all other variables on the right side of the equation. We have taken to the right the S minus S naught and plus T naught, which will become plus S naught and minus T naught to the left side of the equation. To the right of side of the equation, there remain two narrations. The one is MPS into Y, and the other is MPT into Y. So MPS into YD, sorry, putting the value of YD into the along with the MPS, and the value of YD is Y minus T. And again, in the third step, uh, we have put the value of T in the equation, MPS into Y minus T naught minus MPTY plus MPTY is equal to I naught plus G naught plus S naught minus T naught. From here we can see that we can multiply the MPS uh, into the bracket where MPS into Y minus MPS into T naught minus MPS into MPT Y, and we have plus MPT Y is equal to I naught plus G naught plus S naught minus T naught. From here we can see that the Y will be common from the left hand side equation. We can take Y as common. If we take Y as a common, our uh, in our uh, the right left hand side will become y into mps minus mps into mpt plus mpt is equal to I naught plus G naught plus S naught minus T naught plus MPS T naught. We have taken to the left side of the to the right side of the equation minus MPS T naught, which has become MPS plus MPS T naught. So dividing both sides by MPS minus MPS into MPT plus MPT, uh, we have concluded with the national income equilibrium formula. Y is equal to now I naught plus G naught plus S naught minus T naught plus MPS T naught divided by MPS minus MPS into MPT plus MPT. This is the national income equilibrium formula we have derived in three sector economy, including the induced taxes. And we take now a numerical example of this national income equilibrium through leakages and injection method. Let's suppose we have the hypothetical economy with the numerical function as s is equal to minus 40 plus 0.2 yd. I is equal to I naught is equal to 100, G is equal to G naught is equal to 100, T is equal to T naught plus MPTY, that is T is equal to 30 plus 0.2Y. And the national income equilibrium formula in a three sector economy along with the induced taxes through leakages and injection method is YE is equal to I naught plus G naught plus S naught minus T naught plus MPS T naught divided by MPS minus MPS into MPT plus MPT. Putting the values of these variables into the equation, uh, we have calculated that national income uh, equilibrium level through leakages is equal to injection method with given information is 544 billion. So we illustrate this national income equilibrium on the graph. On the graph we have seen that on horizontal axis there is national income y, and on vertical axis there are all other variables: saving, investment, government expenditure and taxes. Here uh, the flat line is the autonomous investment and government expenditure, that are the injections, that are the injection of the society, I naught plus G naught, and the upward sloping curve that start from the negative crossing the horizontal axis x axis and rising upwards, that is S plus T line, that is the line of the leakages, because both s is a function of y, positive function of y, and t is a positive function of y, so s plus t is also a positive function of y, showing that along with the increase in income s plus t increases. And the national income, as we have previously stated, that through leakages and injection method the national income is in equilibrium where leakages are equal to investment. Here we see that the S plus T line cuts the I plus G line at E point where there is national equilibrium, and the national income at equilibrium is 544 billion pkr. So at equilibrium level, there is no inflationary and deflationary gap. This is a auto-corrected national income equilibrium. Whenever the national income deviate from the equilibrium, it will be automatically corrected to the equilibrium level, that is 544 billion. Now here, from national income equilibrium formula, we can also calculate the multipliers for C naught, I naught, G naught, and T naught through leakages and injection method. For calculating the multipliers, we will take the partial derivative of this national income equilibrium method through C naught for Kc naught, through G naught for Kg naught, through T naught for Kt naught, and for if for I naught for I naught through taking the partial derivative for this national income equilibrium equation through I naught, and we can also calculate the national income multiplier through this method. This was the end of the national income topics. Our next topic is the controversy between the classicals and the Keynesian, and the controversy is that Keynesian state that classical state that the balanced budget is needed for government to be neutral. But the Keynesian says that if even the government follow the balanced budget, the government will not remain neutral. And we will discuss this controversy in the next topic by using these tools which we have developed yet now. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.